down. So if you are familiar with the gym, you probably are familiar with your lat pull down machine, a machine that'll probably cost you hundreds if not thousands of dollars. You don't need that. All you need is a pair of bands and a simple PVC pipe or even a broomstick to replicate it. So what I'm going to do is perform these, show you how to set it up on a light pair of bands. But for some of you stronger people, you may want to go to some of the thicker bands because it'll obviously be more hard or more difficult. So I have one band looped up, and what you'll do for the other band is you want to loop the other one up. If you're just starting out, maybe one band is good for you. This is also a great scale for those that are trying to build just pull-up strength. So got my two bands. And then from here, I'm going to place my PVC pipe down. I'm going to be sitting on a med ball. You can sit on a bench, you can sit on a couple plates, you can even possibly sit on the ground. Okay. So from here, actually I will sit on the ground. Sitting on the ground, arms out straight, just simply pull until it's below the chin. Retracting that upper back. Shoulders move down and back. So be careful getting out of these, not to let the band fly. And that right there is how you do banded pull downs.